we'd like to show you how to use and control PTZ cameras. This video is useful for all those who are interested in video studio equipment and are planning to create their own TV or television studio. PTZ cameras, PTZ stands for pan, tilt, zoom. Pan or move horizontally like so. Tilt or move vertically like so. And zoom in or out like so. Each camera has its own charger, but it can also be charged through a LAN PoE switch. The same goes for the controller, which has its own charger, but can also be controlled and charged or powered via the LAN PoE switch. The controller allows you to switch between cameras. We have two here, but you could have many more. And it also allows you to preset positions. So it has a preset memory selection. We're going to show you just how that works. Now we're going to show you how to set up the cameras and link them to the controller. Hit menu, then go down to System, then Auto IP Set, then move the F1 to the Renew position and click. And now the camera is set. So this is how the preset memory selection works. First hit the Store button, then choose your camera and choose the desired position. You can select it manually with the joypad. Then choose the number you want and hit Store again. The same to delete the position. First hit Delete and then choose the position you want to delete and then press Delete again. Now we're going to switch from one position to the other with both cameras. So we've selected camera 1 here. This is position 1 on camera 1. This is position 2 on camera 1. Now we're going to switch to camera 2. This is the first position on camera 2. And this is the second position on camera 2. And then we've got a third one and a fourth one too. So this is how PTZ cameras work for TV or television studios. We hope you enjoyed this video and we'll see you next time.